Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. To install the Perl on Ubuntu, run the next command. Once installation is finished, run the following command to get the version of your installed Perl. To test it, create a file with the next extension. Add some code like this. Now run it with the following command. You should get the following output. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.